Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. You've probably seen beaded crochet tutorials where you either have to load beads on a thread or pull them onto the yarn with a small crochet hook. I'm going to show you a different method today to add to your skill set. I've got beads, looks like they've been dropped on the floor. And then we need yarn, of course, and a crochet hook. I'm using an H. The yarn is a sport weight or baby weight yarn, and I've been crocheting half double crochets. And the other thing we'll need today is a yarn threader that looks like this. So let's get started. I'm ready to start my next row that will have beads on it. I'm going to insert my hook into the loop and then single crochet in that first stitch. The next stitch will be where we'll put our first bead. We'll start to make a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, and pull up a loop, and then just stop at that point. Next, I'm going to thread a bead onto the yarn threader. Pull the hook out of the last loop. Leave the other two on the hook. And then insert the loop into the yarn threader and pull through to attach the bead to that yarn. Then reinsert your hook into the loop and finish the half double crochet as you normally would. I'll follow that with a regular half double crochet in the next stitch, and then let's do it again. Start half double crochet, but don't pull through any loops except for that first one. Then thread another bead onto the yarn threader. I've got one already done there. Pull your hook from the very last loop and then insert the yarn threader over that loop that you just pulled out. Hold it down and then pull it through, and that will attach the bead to that loop. Insert your hook again. Finish the half double crochet as you normally would. Another half double crochet, and let's repeat that process again. Start a half double crochet, thread another bead onto a yarn threader, release the last loop from your hook and insert it into the yarn threader, then pull the bead through. Then you can insert your hook back in the loop, pull it tight, and then finish the half double crochet as you normally would. Another half double crochet, and a couple more. The beads are kind of small, so this will really only work with the sport weight or baby weight yarn. Otherwise, the yarn will be too thick to go through the hole. So worsted weight is not going to work for this method. I hope you liked learning about this method. If you did, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And check out my other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and happy crocheting.